Recently, German Chancellor Olaf Scholz visited India and discussed on various cooperative fields as well as the global issues like Russia-Ukraine crisis with Prime Minister Modi. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is India and Germany relationship. Friends, if I talk about some historic event with Germany, then India was one of the first country who stopped the state of war with Germany after the World War II. And India also did not claim any compensation for the dying of more than 24,000 Indian soldiers against the Nazi Germany, which was fought in World War II. And after, if we see, then Germany also rejected the nuclear test of 1998, as well as Germany was not supported and criticized India for liberation of Goa from Portugal. But India supported Germany in the unification of Eastern and Western Germany in 1990. And if we talk about today's relation of both country, then it is little bit complicated because on the matter of Kashmir, Germany raised concern many sometimes, as well as on the matter of Indo-Pacific they want support of India. And recently the German chancellor visited India, in which both have discussed on various issues. So if I talk about the area of cooperation of both country, then first is political. Friends, there are more exchange of visits we have seen recently. Last year, Indian Prime Minister visited Germany, and also Germany gave G20, G7. In the G7 meeting, Germany invited India, and this year German Chancellor visited India, and both are also member of G20 and G4. Friends, second is Indian diaspora. More than 1.4 lakh Indian live in Germany, and most of the Indians work in IT sector. And Germany have seen more than 550% increasement of the IT workers from the India, and also more than 40,000 Indian students study in Germany. Next is economic. Both have more than 24 billion US dollar of trade, and Germany is the ninth largest trade investor, foreign investor in India. And both have also signed some MOUs and agreement on the trade. When both have also many area of challenges, like first is Russia-Ukraine crisis, in which India have not condemned yet, and Germany have put pressure many times on India, and also India do not follow the oil cap that has done by the G7 countries and USA allies. And some other challenges, like Germany is hugely dependent on the China for economic purpose, and that is not good for India. And both country want good engagement in the Indo-Pacific, and India is the major player in this Indo-Pacific, and they want Indian support. Friends, in my conclusion, as today we can see, G20 summit is going on in India, and Olaf Scholz will again come in India. So it is a big opportunity for India to make a good relation with Germany, because the relation with Germany will impact the Indian development in future. And also both countries working in renewable energy, and Germany has invested money over here, so it will be good for both country. And also Germany is the key player in the free trade agreement with European Union, so that will also be beneficial for both country. Thank you.